Welcome to Naty TubeFun. Mom, are you home? Mom, are you home? I don't think she's home. Let me go inside and see something to eat. What should I eat? I will eat an ice cream. Ice cream is not good. I have to eat dinner. Where is dinner? There's nothing here. Oh, I need to find something to eat because this is really not healthy. It's only ice cream and cupcakes. That's it. I'm going to take Dad's car. Minutes. Okay. Ready. Visit the place. Ta-da! Yay! Gonna be tsunami. It should be good. Thank you. Welcome. This was gonna be hot. Let's taste one. Do you want some? I got some more. Let's try the burger. Wow, it's so huge. I won't be able to eat this whole bit. I'll eat the tomato. So delicious. Do you want to try? Yeah. You always eat a lot. Be careful, Alex.